I just got this. It's a whiteboard. It does come with one marker, and I think it's got some things that you can attach it to the your wall, but I'm just going to use it straight out like this. And yeah, we just got to get it out of this plastic. All right, so I just got this whiteboard. It comes with a marker on top, which you can pop off. It's got a little clip for it right here. And that's the eraser part. And then you just pop it out and you can write with it. Let me set this down. Oh, I'm going to put this on the back. That way we can get to it. So now you can go ahead and do your thing. Like, so I just wrote on there. And now to get rid of it, I would just go like that. It comes off, I think. Hopefully it does. And that's it, bam. And then when you're ready to put your pen away, you just go like this. See, that's a dry eraser marker, and it would go right back on there. And then this here, you can put somewhere, you know, where you want to work on it. It does come with magnets and things that, you know, if you want to stick it on the wall. Let's take a look and see what we got here. So it says, you would tape this side, right? And then you just, oh, wait a minute. Oh, there we go. So you tape one side to the wall and you tape the other side here. And then, oops, I'm sorry. Or would I do it over here? Okay, well, you have to tape this on here. And then they would stick together. That's one way to do it. Then they have these, which I have no idea what these are, but you could use them for something, I don't know. And this is, I think this is the sticky thing. So this here you pull back and that's sticky. Yeah, so that you could stick it on the wall. But it's not super heavy, and I'm not going to put it on the wall. I'm just going to stick it over in the corner over here and work with it. So, and then all these things, I don't know what we'll do with them. Do something with them, I guess. But yeah, everybody needs one of these so you can plan, strategize, write out your stuff on there. And yeah, that's what we're going to do.